It's not whether you're right or wrong that's important, but how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. By George Soros. Traders, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a strategy that could totally change the way you approach the markets. Ever notice how casinos always seem to come out on top, even when players hit those big jackpots? It's not just luck, my friends. They've got a system. And today, we're going to unlock that secret. Imagine being able to profit consistently, even when your trades don't go as planned. Sounds wild, right? Stick around because I'm about to share some insights that could really boost your trading game. I get it. You might be thinking, profit when I'm wrong. No way. But hang tight, because by the time we wrap this up, you're going to see trading in a whole new light that could seriously boost your success rate. We're diving into the wild world of trading like a casino, and trust me, it's a game changer. Picture this, just like in a casino, where the house always has an edge, trading can be approached with the same mindset. It's about managing your risks and knowing when to walk away. Think of it as playing a game of blackjack. You don't just bet all your chips on one hand. You play smart, read the table, and make calculated moves. By treating trading like a game, you can make decisions that are not just gut feelings but based on strategy and analysis. Are you ready to roll the dice on your trading game? Let's go. Trading like a casino sounds intriguing. It's all about getting into that winning mindset and using strategies that keep casinos in the green. Think about it. Casinos don't win every single bet, but they know how to stack the odds in their favor over time. They play the long game, focusing on probabilities rather than individual outcomes. For example, they might offer a game with a high house edge, knowing that while players might win occasionally, the casino will profit in the long haul. Today, we're diving into how you can adopt this approach in your trading to boost your success. First things first, the house edge, shall we? So, in every casino game, the odds are just a tiny bit in favor of the house. It might seem like a small percentage, but trust me, over time, it really stacks up to some serious profits for them. Now, as traders, we've got to find our own version of that house edge in the markets. But don't get it twisted. This isn't about cheating or having insider info. No way. It's about spotting those little, consistent advantages that can tip the scales in our favor. Think about it. Maybe it's a specific stock that's undervalued or a trend that's just starting to catch fire. Finding those gems can make all the difference. Let's keep our eyes peeled and look for those opportunities that can give us that edge. One key aspect of trading like a casino is really getting a grip on risk management. Think about it. Casinos know exactly how much they could lose on any bet. They have it all figured out to make sure they can handle any short-term losses without breaking a sweat. As traders, we need to embrace that same level of detail when it comes to managing our risks. Here's the deal. Set strict stop losses to protect yourself. It's like having a safety net. Size your positions wisely and never ever risk more than you can afford to lose on a single trade. For example, if you're looking at a trade that could potentially wipe out a big chunk of your account, maybe it's time to rethink it. Remember, it's all about playing smart, just like in a casino. But here's where it gets super fascinating. Casinos don't just manage risk. They totally embrace it. They understand that variance is part of the game, and they're all in for both the highs and the lows. Think about it. When they roll the dice, they're ready for a winning streak one moment and a losing streak the next. As traders, we really need to adopt that same mindset. Instead of dreading losses, let's view them as just another part of the journey. It's not about being right every single time. It's all about finding ways to be profitable over the long haul. So, when you hit a rough patch, just remember, it's all part of the game. Embrace it. Expected value is such a game changer in casino-style trading. It's basically the average outcome you'd get if you place the same bet over and over again. Think of it like this. If you're betting on a game where you know the odds, you can calculate how much you might win or lose in the long run. In trading, we want to zero in on strategies that have a positive expected value. This means that even if you hit a few bumps and lose some trades, if your overall approach is solid, you'll come out ahead in the end. For example, imagine you have a strategy that wins 60% of the time with a nice payoff when you win. Over time, sticking to that strategy can really pay off, even if you face a few losses along the way. So, keeping your eyes on the bigger picture is key. Finding those sweet positive expected value setups is all about diving deep into analysis and backtesting. It's like being a detective. You want to dig through historical data, spotting those patterns that can guide you. For instance, if you notice a stock tends to bounce back after hitting a certain low, that's a clue. But here's the kicker. It's not just about what happened before. You've got to stay flexible and tweak your strategies as the market shifts. Things change fast, so keeping your ear to the ground is super important. Emotional control is such a big deal when it comes to trading, just like it is in a casino. Think about it. Casinos don't get all hyped up over a big win or crushed by a loss. They keep their cool no matter what the stakes are. As traders, we've got to channel that same vibe. It's all about sticking to your trading plan. Like if you've got a strategy laid out, don't let those wild price swings mess with your head. Avoid making snap decisions because of fear or greed. Picture this: you see a stock skyrocketing and your heart races. But if you stick to your plan, you won't get swept away by the excitement. Instead, you'll make calculated moves that keep you in the game for the long haul. That's the kind of mindset that can really make a difference. Diversification is a game changer. Just think about casinos for a sec. They've got a ton of games, each with its own odds and house edge. This variety not only keeps things exciting but also helps them balance their profits and cut down on risk. Now, how can we take a page from their book? As traders, we can dive into multiple markets, play around with different time frames, or even mix up our strategies. For example, if you're trading stocks, why not throw in some Forex or commodities? This way you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, which is super important. When one market takes a dip, another might be soaring, giving you a better shot at profits, no matter the market conditions. It's all about keeping it fresh and flexible. What do you think? One of the most powerful tools in a casino's toolkit is definitely the law of large numbers. Think about it: over a ton of bets, the actual results start to line up with what you'd expect. For traders, this means it's all about racking up a bunch of trades over time instead of swinging for the fences with just a few big bets. It's really about consistency and playing the long game. For instance, if you make small, steady bets, you can ride out the ups and downs instead of stressing over every single wager. It's like running a marathon instead of a sprint. When you're trading, keep your eye on the bigger picture and trust the process. Let's clear up a big misconception right here. Trading like a casino. It's not about throwing caution to the wind and making reckless bets. Nope, it's actually the complete opposite. Casinos are super disciplined and stick to a solid game plan. They know their edge, and they don't let emotions or gut feelings mess with their strategy. Take poker, for instance. Pros play the odds and calculate their moves carefully. As traders, we should totally adopt that same mindset. Think about it: if you approach trading with that level of discipline and consistency, you're way more likely to see success. It's all about staying cool under pressure and making informed decisions, not just chasing after the next big win. So, how do you stay disciplined in your trading game? Ready to dive into the world of trading with some casino-style strategies? It's super exciting. Start by figuring out what really gives you an edge. Think about it: maybe you've got a knack for spotting trends with a specific technical indicator. Or perhaps you excel at analyzing company fundamentals. Have you noticed a market inefficiency that others are missing? Once you nail down your unique advantage, craft a solid trading plan around it. And here's the key: stick to that plan like it's your best friend. Consistency is everything in trading, so keep your focus sharp and your emotions in check. Next, focus on rigorous risk management because it's super important. You really want to nail down some solid rules for things like position sizing and stop losses. Think of it this way: it's not about dodging losses completely, but more about making sure that no single loss can wipe out your trading capital. For example, if you set a rule that you'll only risk 2% of your total capital on any trade, you can sleep a little easier knowing that even if things go south, you're still in the game. Take the time to figure out what works best for you and stick to it. It's all about protecting your hard-earned cash while still being able to seize those opportunities. Developing a system to track and analyze your trades is super important. Think about how casinos keep a close eye on every game they run. You should be doing the same with your trading. Keep detailed records of each trade you make, like what you bought, when you bought it, and how it performed. This way you can spot trends. Maybe certain strategies are hitting the jackpot while others are busting out. For instance, if you notice you're consistently winning on trades made early in the day, that's gold. You can tweak your approach based on what's working and what's not. It's all about learning and improving. Don't skip this step. It'll really help you level up your trading game. Emotional control is a game changer for traders. It can be super tough, but mastering it is key to success. You really need to create routines that keep you grounded, especially when the market goes wild. Think about meditation to clear your mind, or regular exercise to blow off steam. Setting clear trading rules is also a lifesaver, like having a plan for when to cut losses or take profits. These practices help you stay calm and focused, making it way easier to navigate those ups and downs. Trust me, staying cool can make all the difference in your trading journey. Success in trading is a lot like playing the long game in a casino. You know, it's super easy to get all wrapped up in the ups and downs of each trade. But here's the thing, that's not where the magic happens. Instead, you really want to focus on sticking to your strategy. Think of it like planting seeds. You water them, give them sunlight, and trust that they'll grow over time. It's all about having that positive expected value in your corner, which means that, over time, your smart decisions will pay off. So, keep your head in the game, stay consistent, and watch how your patience pays off. Wrapping things up, let's chew on this for a sec. Trading like a casino isn't just about throwing your money around or making wild bets. It's really about stepping into the market with a cool, professional mindset. Think of it as a game of chess rather than roulette. You've got to understand the odds, manage your risks, and focus on the long haul. For example, instead of chasing after every hot tip, consider developing a solid strategy. Maybe you decide to only invest a small percentage of your capital on each trade. This way, if one trade goes south, it won't wipe you out. By sticking to these principles, you can turn what feels like a chaotic gamble into a steady, profitable venture. Trust me, it's all about playing smart and staying disciplined. How does that sound? Even the best traders out there don't win every single trade, right? It's like playing in a casino. You can't expect to hit the jackpot every time. By embracing that mindset, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. It's all about focusing on the bigger picture and being profitable over time, not just nailing every trade. For example, think about a poker player who knows when to fold. They don't win every hand, but they play smart and come out ahead in the long run. Shift your focus from being right all the time to building a strategy that pays off in the end. That's where the real magic happens. Ready to dive into trading like it's a high-stakes casino game? Seriously, think about it. It's all about shifting your mindset to really shake things up and boost those trading results. How do you get started? Take a good look at your current trading approach. What's working for you, and what's just not hitting the mark? Maybe you can spice things up by setting clear limits like a gambler would at a table. Or, consider diversifying your portfolio, just like spreading your bets across different games. It's time to take those casino-style strategies and make them your own. What do you think? Exciting, right? Thanks for hanging out with me as we dive into the exciting world of casino-style trading. If you found this video helpful and fun, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your trading buddies. And don't forget to comment what is you've learned on this topic. We're all in this together, and sharing experiences helps everyone grow. And please don't forget to watch our next video about the most important trading psychology lesson no one ever told you. Until next time, stay mindful, stay disciplined, and may the charts be ever in your favor. Happy trading.